This wasn't just a bird. It was a 3-meter-tall apex predator that killed with a single strike from its beak. Meet Kelenken, the largest terror bird to ever walk the earth, ruling the ancient plains of Argentina 15 million years ago. Imagine a creature taller than a basketball hoop with a skull the size of a horse's. But here's the terrifying part. Scientists discovered its skull was completely rigid, unlike modern birds. It didn't just peck at its food, it used its head like a 70-centimeter sledgehammer. Kelenken was built for the chase, hitting speeds of 35 miles per hour on slender, powerful legs. Once it caught up, it didn't use claws or teeth. It delivered a high-speed, vertical strike with a hooked beak designed to shatter bone and pierce organs instantly. It was the ultimate, one-hit killer of the prehistoric world. It sat at the very top of the food chain, outcompeting massive carnivorous mammals simply by being faster and more precise. It was a literal dinosaur legacy, continuing to dominate long after the T-Rex was gone. If this giant was still alive today, would humans even be safe in the open? Let me know what you think in the comments.